Woo! Little eel action! Yeah, buddy!
Nice.
Nice, eel, dude.
Oh, brought us on the shore.
Here we go. Right. Yeah. Oh, he's coming back, saying what's up. Gaining his strength out here in the little minor shallow zone. Good morning, everybody. Down here with Danny, a pound of D. I'm King Kapuka Kapono. We got Major Allen over there coming in hot. Just made a little water crossing. We're down. Alan, where are you from, Alan?
Okay.
Where are you from? Argentina?
Argentina.
Yeah, Alan's from Argentina. Here visiting for a few months. Brought him out hula hula style. Figured the first place he's gonna go, this is the second place. We brought him to Pololu Valley, the most epic hike, and now we're here. River crossing boys, yeah. You got it. It gets less deep right over here. We camped here last night. Fun time. Dangalang Slang's here too, but he's sleeping. Having some dangalang dreams. We woke up super early. Hiked on down here to that little spot. Gonna test out. We already saw some fish jumping around, so we're stoked. Let's get out there. So today's the first day that Danton's trying out his the Kodiak saltwater fishing spinning reel.
From KastKing?
From KastKing. Thank you again, KastKing. He's gonna sample this out. Hopefully hook up on some eel with it. And yeah, we're finding out. This is the test, dude. We're stoked. Test this bug out. Yeah. Danton is hooked up. You felt that on there, didn't you? Bringing it in. This is a big boy. Oh, look at that flex, dude. First nice fish of the morning.
Oh, that's too nice and dirty.
Woo! Going out. Where's the net? Let me net this thing for you. All right, got your back, bro. Oh, going out again. Yeah, coming in.
That's bonefish.
Nice bonefish. Woo, little eel action. Yeah, buddy.
Nice.
Nice, eel, dude.
Oh, brought us on the shore.
Here we go.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, almost locked it out. Nice save. Stop doing that.
That man. Woo. Nice one.
Oh,
Careful
solid.
lead.
Nice fish, brother, man.
All right. It's like a pound and a half bonefish.
Oh, yeah. Put that buggy back. Get the release. Oh, good save.
Kind of roughed him up a little bit. We got to be careful of that.
Yeah, you got a little crack, but
Be a little bit more careful with these guys.
lucky you hooked him somewhere
He's
good.
pretty strong still. He's gonna survive.
Yeah, it's recording. I think, yep. Okay, guys. We got the new camera, so we're gonna get our first underwater release. He's bailing. Keep it underwater, brother. Oh, he's coming back, saying what's up. Gaining his strength out here in the little minor shallow zone. And now he's out of here. Shoots, oh eel. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. This is a humu humu nuku nuku apua. It's the state fish.
Wow.
They're colorful ones.
Look at the stripes, man.
Yeah, they're pretty cool little guys.
Cool, bro.
Thanks.
Good job.
Get the release. You hooked on? Oh, get the release of whatever that is instead. Look, the little tanker, dude. Let's get the approach of it and the release. Yeah, I gotta get this other guy back in the water. Dadrin's hooked up. Bringing it in. It's another humu. Humu number 2 moo. Is that another lagoon?
Like an all blue one. This must be a male.
Yeah, it's a pretty, good looking one.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Look at the colors in this guy. That's amazing.
Pretty
Got these
humu.
little blades on the back of its tail. Little blade up there. That's why it's called a triggerfish.
Sing sing. This thing goes up and down like a trigger.
And like, he kind of locks it in.
Yeah, it's engaged
upset,
fully
so he
right
can
now.
Pin himself into a rock if a shark was chasing him, or
What have you.
you know.
Nice, dude. Okay, Dadrin's returning his humu, second humu of the day, back-to-back humu hookups. Get some more awesome underwater releases. Oh, he's dipped. See ya. Oh, he's having none of this. Oh, you see him wedging himself in that rock over there, dude? Nice one, brother. Yeah. So, dude, what's the prognosis on that reel, dude? What do you think about that reel?
This reel is awesome.
It looks like it handled really well.
One of the best reels I've ever owned.
It handled that eel like nothing.
Yeah.
It's so clean still, too.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
So, yeah, awesome, dude. First try out. KastKing is a winner, dude.
Thanks, KastKing.
Thank you
You guys
so
hooked
much.
it up, man.
Definitely.
We appreciate you guys.
Stoked. Many more to come.